This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Richter. Beautiful and well-maintained 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom condominium sanctuary unit on Lake Uihlein. Situated in the heart of Lakewood Ranch, this floor plan, a light and bright-in unit, is the largest of the 3 models available. The elevator opens right into your front door foyer. Incredible lake and golf course views from all rooms. On the other end of the unit, the guest bedrooms have a private wooded view and their own balcony. Large kitchen with 42 inches hardwood cabinetry with multiple pull-out drawers, granite countertops, upgraded stainless appliances, center island, and a breakfast bar. Gleaming engineered hardwood floors in the living area, neutral tile in kitchen and bathrooms, with plush carpeting in the bedrooms. Master bath has been upgraded with a frameless glass shower. Turnkey furnishings are optional and can be included or removed by seller. Guest room number 2 has an ensuite full bathroom, and guest room number 3 also has direct access to full bathroom number 3. Separate laundry room with a sink and cabinetry and storage closet. Oversized 2-car garage under the building has a service door directly into the lobby. Lakefront heated pool and spa, clubhouse, and fitness center a few minutes walk in one direction, and Lakewood Main Street Center a few minute walk in the other direction. Enjoy the mini restaurants, boutiques, mini golf, socializing with monthly get-togethers and events. So much to do in and around Lakewood Ranch. Join the prestigious LWR Golf and Country Club, Ritz Carlton, or play multiple public golf courses. Hobbyists can find almost anything to do, bike, walk, bird watch, explore on many miles of trails. San Marco Plaza and Waterside also offer the best restaurants lakeside or inside. The beaches are about half-hour drive and offer the finest sand and crystal clean Azure waters on the west coast. Enjoy boating, fishing, swimming, or just taking a stroll in paradise. Downtown SRQ and Bradenton offer many more top-notch restaurants and hip chic rooftop venues.Tampa International Airport 1 hour, SRQ half-hour, both serving major destinations. Full-time living, vacation, snowbird, or a lucrative rental property. Welcome to paradise, a lifestyle second to none. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry.